this video, I'm going to show you how to darken your video footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. So once you have your video footage on the timeline like this, we're just going to select our video clip and click on Window in the top navigation and make sure you have Effects selected. Now, once you have enabled effects, we need to click on it in the bottom left-hand side here, and then using this search box, we're just going to type in Lumetri Color, and underneath color correction, you should see this filter here called Lumetri Color. So all we're going to do is drag this onto our video footage like so, then come over to the effect controls in the top left-hand side and scroll down until you see this Lumetri effect. Make sure you have the drop-down arrow selected, and then I'm going to click on Basic Correction. Now, scroll down once again, and there's a couple of things that we can change here to darken the video footage. Now, the first option is to reduce both the shadows and the blacks. So for example, if I set the shadows here to -20 and I also reduce the blacks down to -20 as well, you can see that this straight away darkens the video footage. In fact, we can actually try to increase this more, so I might do this to -50 instead, and I'm going to do the same with the shadows. Now, because we've reduced the blacks, you may want to increase the whites to kind of create this moody video effect. But if you just want to keep the entire brightness down, then we can just leave the whites at 0. And if the video footage is still too light, then what you can do is come over to this exposure here, and we're just going to try reducing this as well. So I'm going to set this to -1, and you can see straight away that this will take down the brightness of the video footage. So essentially, you just need to play around with these numbers here to find what works best for you. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.